In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the right-click context menu in Windows Terminal. This simple setting makes copying, pasting, and accessing common commands much faster, especially if you prefer using your mouse over keyboard shortcuts. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows search icon in your taskbar and type Terminal. Click on Windows Terminal from the search results to open it. Once Windows Terminal opens, look at the top of the window. Click the down arrow icon next to your tabs. This opens the main menu. From this menu, select Settings. This brings up the Windows Terminal Settings interface. In the Settings sidebar on the left, click on Defaults. This section controls settings that apply to all your terminal profiles. On the right side of the screen, scroll down until you see additional settings. Click on Advanced to reveal more detailed options. Scroll down through the advanced settings until you find the option that says Display a menu on right-click. Enable this option by clicking the toggle switch. This tells Windows Terminal to show a context menu whenever you right-click inside the terminal window. Click the Save button to apply your changes, then close the Settings tab. Now, try right-clicking anywhere inside your terminal window. You should see a context menu appear with options like Copy, Paste, and other quick actions. No more relying solely on keyboard shortcuts. You can now use your mouse for faster workflow. This small tweak can significantly improve your productivity, making Windows Terminal more user-friendly for mouse-based navigation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.